Google site reputation abuse policy is about to roll out on the 5th of May 2024, and a lot of websites are running scared, including major brands like Forbes and Sports Illustrated. For once, speaking of Forbes, Forbes has removed their coupons directory. So if you go to www.forbes.com/coupons, there is a 410 status, which means that this has been permanently removed from their site. And so why are they doing this? Why is the SEO community, why is the SEO department in Forbes deciding to do this? Well, the simple reason is that these coupons were used mainly as a way to pass link juice and to pass authority over to sites that had those coupons. And Forbes knew that, because Forbes, what I would imagine, was charging money from those websites to host those coupons in exchange for passing authority and link juice to those websites. Now, the problem with just removing the coupons thing is that Forbes is passing a lot of authority and link juice through its sponsored posts as well. And if you go through Forbes, Forbes.com, most of the stuff that's on there, especially the interviews with so-called entrepreneurs, they're all purchased. So you can just buy it off them, even though it's not as blatantly visible on their site. It's not that you can go on their site and just buy it, but they're third parties that sell it, and all you need is to just make up the interview and pay the money, which used to be $1,200, but now someone is telling me it's like $1,800 for the interview. And there'll be a few links that point to your site. Most of them will be no follow, but in the past, some of them would be a new follow link. So what Forbes originally did is that they restricted indexing of the coupons directory, and then they decided, we're going to remove it. But Forbes needs to rethink its SEO strategy, because there's a lot more that Forbes could be doing. And I spoke to one of their team members early this week, and I said, you're not just going to be able to remove the coupons directory, and it's not going to be the end all be all, because you're passing a link juice through a lot of other places on the website. A lot of the stuff I don't want to say on video, but their business model does include making money by selling links from the website, but they want to do it in a way that does not harm the brand. And so there's a percentage that they work with, original content versus content that people can buy from the site to place links. And I think the coupons thing is just one aspect of this. And then you've got Sports Illustrated. And Sports Illustrated was hit by the September 2023 update. Then they recovered slightly in March, and it just went down again. So what they did was they removed the showcase directory. So now if you go to si.com, which is sportsillustrated.com/showcase, it's no longer there. And so they have not seen an improvement in their ranking since removing this, because I think they just removed it. But they're hoping that, this was one place that they were passing link juice from. And if they're not doing it again, and they don't do it again, the site reputation abuse policy will not come down hard on them. And then there are a few other sites that have done this. And then there are also sites that are just kind of like waiting it out. They've not removed anything from their website. They're just waiting for the abuse policy to roll out. The problem is that when it rolls out, it's not going to immediately hit you. At least that's my assumption. But it will hit you over time, because there are literally billions of websites. And so it will stop at maybe the brands that are right on top that are passing link juice, and then go from there. And so as a website owner, should you be worried about this? Well, if you have a very high DA website that you're using to sell links from, even if it's guest posts, if it's coupons or any of that, with the intention of passing link juice, which most times that is the intention, then you should remove those directories. If selling coupons is part of your business model, or just having coupons on your site as part of your business model, then that is something you shouldn't be worried about, because Google already knows that you're in the discount codes or coupons or voucher codes industry. And so unless there's some other kind of blatant abuse on your site, it should be good. You just need to make sure that the links on your site to those brands that you have coupons from are all no follow links or rel sponsored links. Just make sure that that's the case. And I don't think you should be running into any issues. If your website was hit, or if you ever run into any issues with your site, and you've probably been hit by the September update or the March update, there's no way of telling until you get your website audited. And that's where my audit service comes in. If you're looking to figure out exactly what's going wrong with your site, and you just don't want to remove stuff from your site, just willy-nilly, then you get your website audited by someone like me. I'll take a look and I'll tell you what exactly is going wrong, what you can do to fix it, and over time, what your strategy should be to rank your site as high as possible. Also, I offer consultation services. You're looking for someone to work with to rank your site. You want to do the SEO yourself, just need a consultant. I can work with you. I'm working with many 6- and 7-figure businesses to help grow their sites, to help grow their network of sites in some cases. And so I can help you help grow your website online. Let me know in the comments below what you think about websites removing their coupons directories and other directories from their sites. And if this is something you're going to do, let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Like and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next video.